You're welcome on this lecture that is belongs to role of university in our education. So let's discuss about a university. University in the universitas in Latin, its meaning is a whole, full. Is an institution of higher or tertiary education and research which awards academic degrees in various academic disciplines. Universities typically provide undergraduate education and postgraduate education. As you know very well, if we take the example of our university, under this only nursing is not only the domain under this university. There is another profession related to another domain or discipline related to medical, paramedical are there, and this university award the academic diploma or degree to the person who are enrolled in their different disciplines. Then permanent affiliation guidelines. If our colleges or institutions want to take the affiliations, then what are the guidelines for that? Conditions laid down for granting of permanent affiliation to colleges or institutions are below. Permanent affiliation to college will be granted after standing of 5 years and has fulfilled and complied with all the conditions of affiliation as given below, and also the recommendation of various LICs that have been visiting the institutions from time to time. When any institutions start or begin, from beginning to 5 years, they have to set all the standards, all the guidelines given by the university, and in this period various teams are come for inspection to know about the quality provided by that particular college. Then document required for affiliation. The subsequent documents are required. An affidavit prescribed format. In this affidavit, the institution's owner provides some detail regarding, according to the order of the university, copy of land document where they want to establish the institution, building plan approved by authority. Building plan means mapper there or designer there approved by the authority related to building plan, means approved by the architecture which have the authority to approve. Land use certificate by authority. The land certificate approved by the authority, and no objection certificate of particular state government. Government don't have any objection to open the institution. Original catony of land, original registry kind of thing. Trust deed and trust registration certificates. Trust is a various number of individuals are there to become the member of that particular trust, and that trust registered in under the authority. Certificate of verification of land from competent authority or tahsildar. Then affidavit regarding acceptance of norms and guidelines of the university. This affidavit given to the university by the institution. Application, fee, demand, draft in favor of university according to the guideline. University powers. What kind of powers university have? Under the University of the Sunshine Coast Act 1998, the university has all the powers of an individual. It may, for example, enter into contracts, acquire, hold, dispose of and deal with property, appoint agents and attorneys, engage consultants, fix charges and other terms for services and other facilities it supplies, do anything else necessary or convenient to be done for its function. These are the powers of the university. Then Functions of the university: provide education at university standard. There are various guidelines to provide knowledge, provide the study to the students according to the university guideline. Quality education actually. Then provide facilities for and encourage study and research. There are various facilities provided by the universities like e-library, e-books, examination, certification, then various kind of opportunities to explore the knowledge of the students. After that, encourage the advancement and development of knowledge and its application of government, industry, commerce and the community. To develop the knowledge so that the students can flourish in their profession. Provide courses of study or instructions at levels of achievement the council considers appropriate to meet the needs of the community. The courses provided time to time so that that particular courses are beneficial for the society. Then confer higher education awards. The students who are doing extraordinary works in his academic, university appreciate them and provide in the form of awards. Then disseminate knowledge and promote scholarship. The students who have good caliber, universities support them, provide the scholarship. Then provide facilities and resources for the well-being of the university staff, students and other persons undertaking courses at the university. There are various kind of facilities provided by the university to the students, and perform other functions given to the university under the act of another act. According to the act, according to the law of the government followed by the university, and according to that, university function and contribute in the life of the students. Then university conduct the examination, then evaluate the examination from the various experts and give the result to the students. After that, provide the degrees and detail marks card to the students, and students registered with the university for entire life. When the students need any kind of certificate from the university provide that particular thing on a nominal charges with proper recording and reporting. Thank you very much. I hope you have clear